Inspiration comes from clarity. The InspexII from Ash Technologies. An ergonomic, fully integrated standalone system with no PC required. It has an intuitive software interface that simplifies operation and control. The AshCal auto-calibration feature removes the need for time-consuming zoom change recalibrations, increasing productivity and efficiency. Streamline production processes and prevent human error with user access privileges. And programmable preset options that reduce your inspection time. Create and recall part-specific system configurations to control and standardize your inspection process. 2D point-to-point precision line measurements and annotations can be captured on images for qualification and documentation. On-screen overlays enable the go, no-go rapid inspection of samples. Image stamping with time, date, user, and magnification level allows for traceability throughout your inspection process. The InspexII is complete with interchangeable illumination options and a one-click autofocus on-screen indicator, suitable for a wide range of applications. Simply powerful. InspexII. Visit ashvision.com now